How to use Google AI Studio. So in this video, we will discuss how you can use the Google AI Studio in order to get the best out of AI from Google. So in order to do this, first head over to their website, which is aistudio.google.com. Now you should be able to see this. We have in here our chat, and you can also generate media, build something using API, and you can see in here your history. So let's head over first to the chat. You can choose in here the run settings. You can choose from the models available. Can be Gemini. We have in here different models like Gemma, Gemini, and others. Just choose in here which one you want. For example, on my case, I'll just choose Gemini 2.5 Pro. Now you can also set in here the temperature as well as a meter resolution, as well as thinking mode, tools, URL context, and you can also tweak the advanced settings that you can see right here. Now in my case, I'll just head over and input right here this. Let's input right here, explain the probability of something. You can type in here your command and click onto this run option, and then this will run and then input right here, and you can see the duration of how it thinks. This will give us in here how it thinks. You can see in here the duration. And after it's done with its thinking, it should be able to give you in here an actual answer to your query right here. You can also use Google AI Studio in order to generate media. So if you would want, you can click on the generate media option. And you can use Imagen, Lyria, Veo, Gemini Image, and Gemini Speech Recognition as well. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.